Welcome to the University of Pavia. I am Alma. And I am excited to tell you that we've got not one, not two, but 3 types of part-time job opportunities waiting for you. The University of Pavia offers a curricular internship lasting 6 months for 15 to 20 hours per week, within its own structures. A monthly contribution of €280 is provided as expense reimbursement. The internship is additional to the student's study plans, and it can be recognized for ECTS credits after evaluation by the competent teaching structure. The call is published annually in November. All the necessary information is provided, including the deadlines to apply. And the internship starts in February the following year. For more information, visit this website and follow this navigation. It is currently only available in Italian. Part-time jobs at the university offer students the opportunity to contribute to improving services for their peers. Students selected for these positions will commit between 50 and 150 hours per year, and they will be compensated with a fee of €7.75 net per hour. These activities include information and orientation tasks, support for student enrollment, assistance for international mobility and disabled students, and more. To be eligible, the students must be regularly enrolled in a bachelor's or a single-cycle master's degree, with the exception of the first-year students, must have a minimum number of credits, and proficiency in Italian language for international students. You can submit your application by registering in one of the calls for student collaborations, accessible from Student Portal. Tutoring at the university is a valuable service that supports students throughout their academic journey, from enrollment to graduation. Tutors will help students through 3 types of activities: informative, cognitive, psychological. Your role as a tutor will involve creating opportunities for integrating traditional courses with personalized and interactive teaching moments for those who need it. Applications for tutoring open twice a year, in September and May. Tutors will be compensated at a rate of approximately €14 per hour. It's important to note that you cannot be a tutor in the same academic year if you have a part-time job with the university. Thank you for watching. I hope it helped. Don't forget to watch the other Welcome series videos. Good luck!